Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue where when you play a video on Fedora you only see a black screen. You can hear the sound but there is no image. So this is how I fix it. You have to input this command in your terminal and let it install all the necessary codec you need. Make sure you have installed your graphics driver before doing this. After installing all the necessary codec, your video will now play smoothly. Before, I can't even watch a YouTube video with Chrome or Firefox, but after inputting this command, I can now play video smoothly, as you can see right here. So that's how I fix this issue. I hope this helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.